Not to be dramatic, but this is gonna be the worst day of my life. Hi guys! So today I'm joined by my little sister,
Sam.
Wow, so much emotion.
Sam!
I've seen this challenge going around on YouTube where you're handcuffed to someone for 24 hours, and for some reason I thought it was a good idea. So here are the handcuffs we got to do this challenge with, and they're pretty intense, I would say.
And they're also like pretty heavy. I'm gonna get my right hand handcuffed, she's gonna get her left hand handcuffed.
Yeah. Oh God. So it's currently 9:23 in the morning and we just got attached. Yay! So I don't really know what else to say, but
We should start doing stuff?
I guess. There's a fly trapped over there and Sam and I are gonna try and kill it. Oh my God.
Go,
Oh my God, I got it.
Keep going, keep going. That's gross.
By the way, it's been a little over an hour so far.
I have a book project due on Monday, and I need to still finish some of it.
She's doing it on The Lightning Thief, which first of all, 10 out of 10 book choice. That was actually pretty good. So I'm just gonna have to sit here and watch her type it out, which is exactly how I want to be spending my Saturday. A war is brewing. Did you write that?
I don't even know.
The underworld is a bit of a maze and is filled with all sorts of dangers. He was not afraid of the monsters like me. But you don't have any monsters. But whatever. So I think
you're a monster.
And then Percy is New York.
It's been 2 hours and we are already like done with this.
Oh my God. We're taking a break from this book project because it's taking forever.
So,
Sam and I are fighting because I want to go upstairs real quick and she just wants to eat food. So this is...
Ow, 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 ow.
So Sam is literally always hungry, so we're gonna make mac and cheese now.
Now microwavy time. 3, 2, 1, 0. This is how I always do it.
You are a mess. Who eats mac and cheese with a spoon?
Fork.
Yeah, you eat it with a fork. Do you eat mac and cheese with a spoon or a fork? Comment below.
I stir mine with a spoon and then grab a fork, but okay.
Oh wait, I want my phone. So this is fun. Wait for it. Oh, it's been 3 hours. Whoa. Sam decided that she wants to take a nap. So I'm gonna try and move over. Can you help me demonstrate? Move over that chair so that she can take a nap and I can do work. Ow, 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 that was my finger.
Oops.
Good night.
1 hour later.
Sam is awake from her nap, but she was dumb and she wore like fake long sleeves, like they're 3/4 sleeves. So she's getting a bunch of marks on her wrist. So we're gonna try and switch out her shirt.
I don't even know where the head hole is.
I don't even know which way the Quiznos is.
I don't even know which way the Quiznos is.
Take what?
The space.
Wait. Like slide it through me to her. Get the other side and then bring it through here.
Why don't we just take off the handcuff and put the other
No,
on?
we can't cheat. So that didn't work. We are gonna take this random headband we found and wrap it around Sam's wrist right where the handcuffs go so that she stops getting all these marks and isn't in severe pain.
I don't really think you can see it, but it's like red all over. Boom. Dance break. And spin. And I'll do this and spin.
Ow!
Woo.
Nice spin.
Woo.
And Chrissy's here now. She's helping us because we're a mess and we're useless.
Ta-da!
Chrissy's driving us and we gotta go get some baking supplies because we want to make cupcakes. This is the time update. Yeet. Preheat the oven.
To 350.
Use this for left hand.
That's my hand I got.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Boy ho. No! Sam, stop making a mess.
Salt.
Baking with Sydney and Sam then also Chrissy is doing most of the work. I hate milk so much.
I love milk. I love milk.
Measuring from the bottom of the meniscus. Good job. We're supposed to crack it into a separate bowl. Why? Because I think they taught us that in cooking in 7th grade, and that's literally the only thing I remember. So. Ew.
You got this.
Okay, well, lefty style.
Yep, perfect.
Don't get any shelling. That looks better than
What a
mine.
beauty.
Cindy's favorite thing.
Why does that look
Oh
disgusting?
my ew.
Also that noise. Are you thinking of the Vine that I'm thinking of?
Yeah.
Young viewers will not understand that reference.
I really want fun it.
Go under,
Oh,
under,
no.
under,
Oh,
Sam,
no.
go under. There we go. Ooh, that was slick. Did you see that?
Oh, I landed it.
On the ground.
It's gonna be hard.
Can you open it, Sam?
Open it?
Kelsey's here now. We made icing, but I didn't feel like recording it.
Wait.
Kelsey made a bet with someone, and she basically has to eat an egg.
You're just gonna do it right in the mouth.
Okay, it didn't actually taste that bad, it's just the texture of it.
I think I'm gonna take the sweatshirt off because I got some egg on it. Ooh, I think I need to drink the Danimals before.
Come on, Kelsey. Okay.
Be aware.
Come on, Kel.
Oh my Sam.
What does oh my Sam mean?
She thick. She beautiful. Look at all of our children. It's now 6:50 and we're still handcuffed. We're gonna watch Aladdin, and we had pizza for dinner, so it wasn't really that exciting. It was so easy to eat because you really only need one hand. Ooh. We have to finish cleaning up the mess that we made earlier with the cupcakes. So we're just gonna do some dishes. This is way worse than doing dishes normally. Dump it. As you can see, we've been doing this for over 12 hours now. Normally, I wouldn't ever go to bed this early or even be thinking about going to bed this early, but there's really nothing else for us to do.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna get ready for bed now. And also I changed into shorts because that's the only wardrobe choice I have control over right now. That was so much toothpaste.
It just all fell on the ground.
Are you kidding me?
Huh.
Snap into it.
Do they just sit there?
Yeah.
Or it's like, that's the person and that's the mattress.
Yeah. You know what's not cute?
What?
Having someone watch you floss. This is really hard when you're so much shorter than me. I'm hoping that the sleeping part will be easy, and then it'll go by fast, and then it'll be over. It's like 10 o'clock right now, and I'm on this side of the bed because I sleep on my stomach, so that's how that's gonna go. If anything happens during the night, I might keep you updated, but other than that, I think we're just gonna go to sleep because I feel dead and I look dead, so it is time for bed. Shakespeare. This literally hurts so bad.
There we go.
Good night.
Stop flashing my eyes.
Tomorrow.
Good morning.
Morning.
One more freaking hour. Ew, I look like I've died. Ew, I'm literally in a full lunch right now. This looks so bad.
We can fix it later.
Oh my god. Ow, why does it keep getting like stuck?
Isn't that weird bone thing?
Yeah. You know what? That's good enough. I don't even care. We out.
Only 19 minutes.
Thank bless.
It's just about time.
Oh, it's finally time.
I'm free. I can get you.
Yeah. Wow, that was the nicest thing you said to me the past 24 hours. Oh my god, please. First of all, I would just like to say, ow. That hurts so badly. Sleeping was probably my favorite part of the whole challenge because I got a pretty good night's sleep, because I was so exhausted from being annoyed all day. What was your least favorite part of the challenge?
The first hour.
Whenever we were doing the book project, I was literally about to scrap the whole video and just take the handcuffs off and be done. I didn't think the hard part of the challenge was that you couldn't really use the other hand. Like, I felt like we could kind of use the other hand as long as you took the other person with you. You would literally go to move and then you would forget that you were attached to someone, you just drag them along with you, and it felt like a dead weight. The whole day was kind of like a roller coaster ride. Like, at some points I was about ready to punch you, and then at other points I was like, aw, Sam, we should hang out more. And there wasn't really much of an in-between. Make sure to give this video a
like
and
subscribe.
Oh, that was it. Oh. You're my favorite sister.
Because I'm your only sister.
Maybe, but let's agree to literally never do that again.
Yeah.
That was the weirdest handshake. I'm gonna go shower because I feel gross, even though I just got ready. That was mostly just to see if I could do it. I don't look that good anyways, so it's fine. We have officially had enough, so bye!
See ya!